Good day, traders, and welcome you back to the Forex Board Trading Academy. And today we're presenting analysis for the euro versus Japanese yen. Before we get started, reminding you that all the information in this video is for educational purpose only, should not be considered as a financial advice. Overall, across the board, I think that the euro strength is becoming more obvious, and we might see a lot of euro related currency pairs moving to the upside. So the euro strength should be dominating across other major fiat currencies. Same applies in relation to the Japanese yen. We saw this massive downtrend that has been going on, but at some point the correction to the upside would be healthy. And maybe the time has come for the correction. Now let's have a look as to what is happening. So here we have ascending channel, two tops through the bottom. So I have extended this channel, and we can see that price has reached and rejected the bottom of the extended ascending channel. This could suggest that the bottom has been tested. Not only that, but also we can see that this trend line, this is average price trend line, has been also cleanly rejected. There is two tops and there are two bottoms, so this is one of the average price downtrend trend lines rejected. Another point is the Fibonacci time zone indicator, which just shows Fibonacci cycles. I have applied it through the highest high and the next low. So the first wave after the highest high has been produced. And what we have previously, this here, the price from this point onwards initiated the next cycle and went down sharply. Now in the next 4 to 8 hours, I think, yeah, next 4 hours, the new cycle should be starting. And this could be the very beginning of this correctional move to the upside. The next cycle, number 5, we can see will be on the 4th of October, and it means that it might take 2 weeks for the price to test this resistance. All in all, it's about 200 pip move to the upside that can be expected. Now, in regards to the resistance, we have two fibs applied on this chart. First is to the overall downtrend, and we see 50% Fibonacci retracement level at 124.63. Now we have another fibs applied to the previous correction wave to the upside, and we have 88.6 almost at the same level. So 124.6 should be the key resistance in the coming weeks. This level corresponds to another average price downtrend trend line. So I use this support and I use the resistance formed at the previous cycle. And also, if we extend the simple 200 period moving average, it would also kind of correspond to this resistance area. And all in all, next 4 hours, the bullish trend could be starting. But this is only and only if the daily close will remain above 122.5. If there will be daily break and close below, the bullish forecast might get invalidated and we might see yet another strong downside move. But so far we see the rejection of the support, and as long as it holds, there could be some spikes. I would not exclude that, although only daily break and close can invalidate this setup. So that's the analysis of today, and time to move back to the previously made analysis. Australian Swiss franc, guys, we were watching this support level and clearly price is going down sharply. So I will not be following Australian Swiss franc any longer, since this could be actually the downtrend. Although, well, maybe we will consolidate, but it's just being too long of this range trading on Australian Swiss franc. We might get back to that pair if there is something interesting, but for now I will stop following it. Dollar Canadian slowly, steadily moving to the upside, looking forward to 133.90 area as the first resistance to be tested. Dollar Japanese yen analysis were produced around this price area when the dollar Japanese yen was at 104.50 area. It looks good. I would expect continuation of the uptrend and testing of the resistance, although we might not exclude the correctional move to the downside possibility of retesting this support area. Canadian Swiss franc, this is the long-term downtrend that is expected, and as we can see, there was no break above the resistance. This previously made high is holding, there was no close above, and the resistance area remains valid, and as long as it's valid, the downtrend continuation is expected. And the euro Canadian dollar, we have the support area at this level, which is 1.5560, and if I go to the daily chart, zoom it in, we can see that this support has been rejected. There was a strong spike to the downside, although previous day close has been above. So this support remains valid, and we can see the daily close above the previously made high, above the resistance, suggesting this continuation of corrective move to the upside. Here also the analysis are valid. We still expect the uptrend for the euro Canadian dollar, but this is also a long-term setup. This could take 2, 3, 4 or more weeks, and we might see even more consolidation before and if price will start moving to the upside. But if there will be a daily close below this low, I think the analysis will get invalidated, same as Canadian Swiss franc, but so far it still looks very, very bullish. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, click the like, subscribe to the channel, and as always, ask questions, post comments. I would gladly answer all your queries. Thank you, and profits to you guys.